Who's your chiro? All right, I am here today with Miss Victoria, yay. Emma, and Sophia. What's happening? You guys know how to do the orange justice?
No.
No. Wow.
I
Yeah. So, anyways, guys, you've heard of it. My bad. Can you do a dance though? Can you dance? Can you do any cool moves?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Let's
I
go.
can do floss.
You can do the floss. Let's go. How does it go? Hey. What about you? Anything? No. She's just like, nope. What about you? Like to dance?
I can just do the hike.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Hey. Let's go. So we have three little amazing ladies here, and of course Dad's here hanging out. And Dad's here hanging out like, oh my gosh. Yeah, that's right. Planning for the future. So we have Miss Victoria, and we have Miss Emma. And Emma, Victoria's a dancer, right?
No, I'm a ballerina.
Ballerinas dance.
Well, yeah, but
Well, yeah. Okay,
on
so
their point.
okay, so you're a ballerina
And a pianist.
and a pianist. Okay, amazing. And you're a professional figure skater. Okay, that's amazing. And you, I'm not even gonna say it. You tell me what you are.
I'm a dancer and well, I want to be an architect, but I do art.
Yes. Good job. Okay. We are going to start out with Miss Emma today. Kick your sandals off. And let's, we got three little athletic and very intelligent ladies. We're going to lay face up first, young lady. And what we're going to do with Miss Emma is we're going to check out her knee. And so your knee was bugging a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Yes, no, maybe so?
Maybe.
Maybe a little bit, maybe not. Okay. So what we're going to do, bend both knees. And we did what's called the anterior drawer test, where I held the knee and I pulled this way to assess the integrity of the anterior cruciate ligament. Left one slightly more lax, and that can be an absolute normal variant. It can be from overuse, and it can be from injury. So we're working to rehab the area and see what we can do to improve. And Dad, you were saying that one of the instructors said something?
Yes.
What was the feedback? What was the feedback?
The feedback was wow.
Wow. Which one was it? Which lady was it? Which little...
The coach for Emma.
For Emma?
Yeah.
Okay. And what did the coach notice?
Better knees.
Better jumps, higher jumps,
Yes.
more power to the legs.
Yes, yes, yes. Do you think I have any chance as a figure skater?
Maybe.
Oh, you're so good to me, honey. She's got a good heart, but she doesn't want to let me know. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with your quads. So watch this. So knees stay here. This one comes up, and you push up, Miss Emma. Wow. That's stronger, right? That's stronger than last time. Hey, almost kicked me, huh? And then outwards this way. Bring it down a little bit. Look down, down, down. Right there. Push. Okay, so I'm a big man, little lady. You see how strong her quad is, Dad? That's normal. That's what we want to see. Now we're going to check a muscle called the popliteus that unlocks the knee. When the knee is straight, it unlocks it. So you're going to put this leg down. This foot goes up and in. Push your toes up and in. Push, push, push. And this is important. Come on over here. So what I'm doing, come check it out, Dad. So this is a bone called you know this stuff already, tibial tuberosity. And when she holds this way, this bone is not supposed to move. So watch right there. Push up and in. You see how it twists outwards? That's no bueno. That's not good. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in on this muscle right here. And again, it's called the popliteus. I mainly tell that to distract you. Okay, right there. Hurts a little bit, doesn't it? But you're super tough. Any other girl that's not one of your sisters would be totally crying. You're super strong. Toes up and in, push, push, push. You see how it held and sprung back? Mm-hmm. That's good. So we're going to do the rehab here. So you stay right there. We're going to breathe. And out. 5, 4. You doing good? Mm-hmm. 3. She's a champion. What comes after 3?
2.
2. And then what is it?
1.
0. And then what?
1. And then 1.
And then 1. -1. Oh, nice. -2. -3, -4, -5. Good job. Honestly, I'm proud of you, Em, because that does hurt. So good job. Because the more you can take it, the more we can just get in there and correct it. So toes up and in, push, push, push. Beautiful. Now we're going to do what's called a strain counter strain. So you don't do anything. Just breathe in and out. So all I'm doing is holding the muscle like this as if it were contracted, but it's not. Breathe and relax. Now we're going to do what's called a myofascial release. So what I'm going to do is iron out from here to about right there. So you just hang loose, Miss Emma, right here, like so. And I'm going to use here. You okay? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Now we only have to do this 89 times.
What?
I'm just kidding. Okay, 3 and 4. Awesome. Good job again. High five. Okay, now watch this. Bend the knee. Toes up and in. Push again. Push, push. You see, Dad, how that locks and holds? Watch again. Push, push, push. You see it just like that. That's perfect. So now we're going to check her Achilles right here. Hands to the side like so. I'm going to move, yeah, just like that. Your heel, your foot stays flat. Heel towards your rear. Pull. Beautiful. Toes go in. Pull again. Toes go out. Pull. Beautiful. So that's the left knee. That's good. Now we're going to bend both knees again. Hands off the body. Just 1 sec. Push up. Push, push, push. Toes so strong. Push. Toes out. Push. Super proud of you. Okay. All these high fives. Now lay on your tummy, sweetheart. And we're going to check that beautiful spine. And shoulders relax. Breathe in, Miss Emma. And out. Chest relax. Shoulders loose, loose, loose. Beautiful. Breathe in again. All the way out. Chest really relaxed. Loose, 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 loose. A little tight there. We're going to leave it, not go too hard. We're going to have you lay on your left side facing Victoria. So face this way here, please, on your side. And we're going to go bend here, like so. Like so. And we're going to adjust your lower back, my dear. So you really think I could be a professional figure skater, huh? All right. What would I have to do to... Whoa. What would I have to do to, you know, like this? Is that cool? You know, what was I like?
How about your leg up?
Like this?
How about her jump?
Up? Like,
Jump in the... Alright.
is that like...
No.
Is that...
Good job, Doc.
I mean, is that a good start? Like,
Yeah, like this.
she has such a good heart. She's like, yeah, come on. Wait, how? Show me.
You have a chance.
You have a chance. Yeah.
I just can't do it when I bring it up.
Well,
She
all 3
can't.
of them are skaters.
Well, they must have learned from you.
No, all 3 of them are skaters.
But you taught them everything they know, right?
No.
Yeah, come on your side here.
Yeah. I thought I'd never give up.
Ah, that's the most valuable, brother. That's the most valuable. I love it. We're going to go this way, young lady, like so. Shoulders loose, and we're going to breathe, Miss M. And all the way out. Hips loose, 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 loose. Okay, a little tight there. We're not going to go too hard. Leave it there. Face up now on your back. And you take all that hair, lift your head up, and let it down. Head relax. Nice gentle movement through here. Beautiful. Small movement through here. Relax your head. Drop here. Beautiful. Good job. Come on up. Remember the most important adjustment of all. It's called a hug. Okay. Amazing. Okay. Now, Miss Victoria. Okay. Glasses here, sweetheart. Let me take those. This is why we have a daddy for, right? Daddy holds those.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. And then now you're going to go onto your tummy. We're going to lay on your tummy there. And she has the same name as one of my daughters. So let's see. We have that right ankle sprain. And my little dancer over here. Okay, hands down this way, Miss Victoria. You like to laugh, don't you? Shoulders relaxed. We're just getting the spine used to a little bit of pressure and motion. Hips relaxed. Sometimes I use the table so that I'm not leaning with all my body weight, right? So I even less pressure because there's so little. And now we're gonna breathe in and out. Shoulders relaxed. Woo, nice and tight there. We'll come back to that one. Shoulders loose here, loose, loose, loose. Beautiful little movement there. Now you're gonna lay onto your left side with your back to your sisters. Come on over this way. Yes, my dear. We're gonna go here, like so. I'm gonna move you because you're tiny. Okay. And head goes back here. We're gonna adjust the pelvis a little bit in the lower back. Breathe in. I'm gonna just correct the spinal position right there. Beautiful. Good job. Smile, man. She's so happy. I love it. You can always tell the parents from the kids, right? Because they're so happy. That only comes from a home of love, brother. I love it. Right there. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna put the head back here. So do you think I'd be any good as a figure skater?
Yes.
You think so? Wow. Do you think maybe I should give up my practice here and go start training?
No. No.
No? Okay. Okay. Maybe just on the side.
Bad idea.
Okay.
Then how are we gonna treat them?
That's it. I got you. Oh, we got a little tiny motion there. Lay on your back, sweetie. Lay face up. There we go. Good job. Lay down. I wish I had hair like that. Oh my gosh, man. It's amazing, right? Okay, head relaxed.
I have the shortest hair.
You do?
And the long.
I think Daddy has the shortest hair of the family.
In the family, yeah.
In the family.
But I'm the third one who has the shortest.
The third one. Big breath in, Miss Victoria. And out. Wow. Amazing. Tighten your tummy. Come on up. Oh no, we're going to check those knees too. Hands to the side. Bend right here. You go push up. Here, push. Beautiful. This way. Push up. Good. And then here. This right here. You push your foot up and in. Push. Towards your sissies. Push. Good. Dad, come and see this one, how it holds the first time. Watch. Watch this point right here.
Mm-hmm.
Push up and in again. Push. You see how just like that? That's perfect.
See?
Okay. That's what we want, exactly. Push up and in. Yeah, beautiful. That's exactly how it's supposed to be. And then she sprained her right ankle, is that correct?
Was it right or left?
I think it was the right ankle. It was the right ankle.
You don't remember.
Yeah.
You're the one who made
So
it.
it's gone? It doesn't hurt
Yes.
anymore?
No.
We're gonna do.
Her feet are so tiny.
Bend here. Relax your knee. Knee relaxed. Foot relaxed. Beautiful. Beautiful. Little motion. Relax your foot. Good. So there's 26 movable bones in each foot. Can you imagine? Each foot. What's 26 plus 26?
Come on.
Huh? What?
26 plus 20. 26 plus 26.
Come on.
You know it. Something with the two.
Oh, nice.
22. No.
26 plus 26.
Oh, sorry. 92.
Close. What is it? Come on, guys. I'll give you a hint.
Oh, yeah. Wait. It's 94.
26 plus 26.
I'm kidding.
Okay.
I didn't even count.
What's 2 plus 2?
4.
What's 6 plus 6?
12.
Okay, what's 40 plus 12?
I know it. 40. 52.
Yes! Good job. There you go. 26 and 26.
You
So
Now did you get it?
between
You add
Because we were
26
thinking.
plus 26, 6 plus 6, 12, 2 plus 2,
Come on up.
plus 1,
and stand up here.
5, and
I
then
didn't
Stand
want
up.
to think that's like.
The most important adjustment of all. Oh, big hug. Okay, now Sophia. Now, come on over here. So look, 52 movable bones just between your 2 feet.
Wow.
Yeah, so if they get out of alignment, then it can mess up the way your muscles hold you up. It can mess up the way you dance, because you know that move where we... Isn't that how it goes?
No, that's it. That's the thing.
Show me.
Skating.
That's exactly what I just did. That is... I
I can only go.
just did it. Isn't that it?
Yeah.
Isn't that it?
No.
Grab his
Halfway.
other hand.
Oh, my other hand?
Your
Both
other hand.
hands, and then
And then pull it up
over your head.
Hold on, can I just lower my head?
Need to
just get it done, man. Wow. Okay, you're gonna go face up, sweetie. Oh, these little, they keep you on your toaster, don't they?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. These little ones. Okay, so we got some knee stuff. Do your hands off your body, sweetie? So you already know. Beautiful. We're gonna go right here and push up. Oh, strong. Toes in, push. Toes out, push. Oh my God, like really strong. We're gonna go here, shoes right there. Push up. Toes in. You are like really on fire here. Push up. Okay, good. This is good. She's already holding strong. This leg can go there. Foot up and in. This one, push up and in, push. Push again. So it's kind of like that, right? I want you to see the difference. Come again, because this is critical stuff here. So watch right here. Watch, push. You see how it just turns and it doesn't really lock? Apologies in advance.
Ow.
She's getting tolerating pain. Right, Sophia?
Why did you say ow?
Breathe. Remember, I will stop if you say stop, but otherwise I'm here to help you. So I really want to
Breathe.
breathe.
I am.
No.
If you want to laugh, just think of me trying to do what she just did. Wait, what? She's really laughing? No. Are you laughing at me?
No.
Are you making fun of me?
No.
She's making fun of her doctor. Oh my gosh.
Oh, how did
Okay,
you do that?
ready? Okay.
I
5.
wasn't ready.
You weren't ready. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, what comes after 2? 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, right? 4, 3, 2,
8.
5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. There we go. You see, man, they're on your team. Watch. Now watch this, Dad. Up and in. Watch, Dad. Watch. You see, push.
Ooh.
And I'm pushing really hard. So now we do a strain, counter strain. So breathe in, all the way out, and then stop breathing. And all I'm doing, so what we're doing is we're taking the hamstrings, breathe and relax, and we're basically closing it down. And the hamstring gets it gets to just rest for a minute and regroup. And now we're going to do the myofascial on her vastus lateralis, which is her quadricep muscle. There we go, and we're gonna go like this. So now you can just think of that.
You cracked your knuckle.
I did on you, right? Think of that that amazing chiropractor that also does figure skating. I don't know what is so funny here, girl.
Sophie,
Ow.
pour the teacher's too.
Ow.
Were you making fun of me in Armenian?
No.
Okay.
And tell her to get her tongue down.
Oh, good job. Hang in there, Tiger. Are
I'm
we
not
still
a
friends?
tiger.
You're not a tiger?
No.
She's a
I'm a
lion.
lion.
Oh, she's a, yeah, be careful.
He's correcting you, doctor.
That's okay, I stand corrected,
I'm a
man.
lion and I'm a cheetah. And I'm a...
You're cracking me.
Adjust it,
Ow, no,
adjust
don't
it.
do that.
Hang in there.
How did you do that?
My job is to tune her up and make sure everything's moving properly. So, you feel that one move already?
Yeah.
It moved already before we even really pulled. So if that requires an adjustment or muscle rehab or what have you, I gotta do my job. Gotta help you out. Relax here.
Sticky hands.
Yeah, it's because the lotion made me a little slippery there. Now we're gonna check and adjust that neck. So hands relax, sweetie. Head relax. Let it go. And breathe in nice and deep. Beautiful.
That actually felt good.
Actually, let's go. Head relax. Think about my amazing figure skating poses.
Oh.
Breathe. That was a big one. Breathe. Isn't that crazy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, remember
How
that?
do you do that? I feel like another bone's moving and then it goes back into place.
You feel that sometimes? Like when you're moving your neck, you mean?
No, when you do it.
Ah, so when I adjust you, what I do is like, watch this. You see in your hand how your wrist moves? So what I do is with one hand, I stabilize one side, and then I contact just the joint or the bone that I want to move, and I hold the other side rather than like not holding it, and then I just thrust like that. And so the point is to just move one little area, but one bone can have 6 noises, like from just one bone moving because of the way it connects top and bottom with the other joints. Make sense? So now we're done there, but I just want to give you a little stretch. So you breathe, sweetie. Totally relax here. Totally relax. Just a gentle stretch. There we go. You okay there? Perfect. Okay, tighten your tummy. Just give her a little stretch. Come on up. Now you're going to lay on your tummy, sweetheart. And this little lady just fell and hit her head, right, Dad?
Yeah.
The other day.
Yeah.
You're going to bring your arms down, sweetie. They keep Daddy busy.
Oh, yeah.
Breathe in, Sophia. And out. Shoulders loose.
Oh.
One more. There we go.
Doesn't work.
Yeah, that one it's tight up there. And then now you're going to lay facing all your sisters. And over here on your side. Do you guys have like secret sissy spine names for each other?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Can I know them?
No.
No? Oh, because they're secrets, right? Hips relax, right here. Relax your hand, open your hand. Relax your hips.
Oh, that's cool.
That was cool. Can you guys give me like a secret cool spine name too?
Charlie.
Charlie?
No, Jonah.
Jonah?
No.
How about like thunder or something?
No.
Like lightning? or
No.
Like
Mine's
how about
secret name is Scarlet.
Scarlet? Well, that's beautiful.
Mine's Ella.
Ella, that's really
And hers is
awesome.
Stephanie.
Mine is nobody.
Nobody? That's awesome. Well, you guys, so Scarlet, Ella, and
No.
nobody.
I'm
Ella.
Ella because I
Scarlet.
look like Ella.
You
And
do?
I look like Scarlet.
You do.
And I look like a
And
nobody.
apparently I look like Charlie.
Yeah.
Okay, check this out. You guys did amazing today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And what you're gonna do, Dad, so this one here, she's gonna ice right here, as well as this one. They're gonna ice the same area that I worked
Left?
on.
Yeah.
Left one, correct. But yeah, you might as well do it right now for a couple minutes while I'm taking care of your dad.
Okay.
And then she doesn't need to ice. She did great. Easy. All right, big guy.
Perfect.
Hey, and thank you for allowing us to share their journey, their healing journey with the world. Anything that you would tell other parents? You've got 3 competitive children. A lot of parents are like, kids at the chiro? What? I don't get it.
Yeah. No, I believe in it.
Kids at Pilates, they don't
Yeah,
understand.
kids need definitely adjustments.
Yeah,
I'm the
they
only
need care,
10-year-old
brother.
at
But,
Pilates, and
but-
everyone gets surprised when I'm there, because I'm the only kid.
But I love it. I love it that she's at Pilates. That's like you. It's like you understand that the body needs care. Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
for sure.
All right, little
Sure.
ladies. One last thing. One big hug. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
There you go. Thank you, Dr.
Amazing.
Mason.
You guys are amazing. Okay. That's good.
Yeah,
I don't want her to fall. That's good. You guys are amazing. Now let me take care of Grandpa. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Blessings, guys.